Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from a student in my YouTube channel membership. And let's go detail of this question. This is limit x tend to 0 square root of 1 plus a1x and times 1 plus a2x then 1 plus anx. Of course, I understand that those a1, a2 should be appropriate real number, because I can understand those terms cannot be less than 0. Therefore, okay, yes, I think we have this assumption. Okay, and obviously I understand this. We have to calculate this limit. We first times the conjugate. Minus 1 times this conjugate, square root 1 plus a1x times a1 plus anx plus 1. Both numerator and denominator also do the same things. And limit x tend to 0. For the denominator, keep the format. For the numerator, we can see that multiply. This is a plus 1 times a minus 1. That is a squared minus b squared. That is, yeah. Okay. So far we have one thing have to do, that is expand this one, because you can see that the constant term is 1 times 1, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1, that the 1 is cancelled. The other term is the x to the power 1 and x to the power 2, and the next term is x to the power 3 in ascending order. That means there is 1 plus a1 plus plus a2, then plus an, that is x, and the other term is the terms x squared something. I don't want to write down all the things because it is not easy to do that, and I also need to waste time to do that, and then the terms like that. So I skip those terms, and I use the small ox. The terms of small ox means all those terms are when x when o small ox over x tend to 0, that is 0. We have these properties. Okay, then minus 1, the final one is minus 1, and keep the denominator. Now we can see the cancel this one, and this x also cancel over x. That means we have a1 plus an plus small ox over x and square roots of this one plus 1. Now take limit x tend to 0. X tend to 0, this is 0. This is a1 plus a2 plus an to an, and for the denominator this is 1, because 1 plus 0 times 1 plus 0, all those are 1. 1 times 1, square root of 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 1 over 2 times times 1/2 times a1 plus a2 then to an. That is the answer of this question. Okay, very nice the answer. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. Okay, one more remark I have to mention that of course guys can use the hospital tool to do that. If you use the hospital tool, you find that when you do the differentiation of this part, you will find it's crazy. We cannot do so much on them. Therefore, I choose the method of you calculate this limit directly and also by the small o function. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. We will really enjoy this video, and if you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe.